Hey YouTubers, here we are in my attic. I'm doing insulation on top of pipes that are already insulated, but doggone it, they still freeze up. So I'm up here in the attic and I'm putting R13 on top of them, and it seems to be working pretty well. I put it all the way to the input, all the way to the first, goes right over there. In that area right there is where our, like a half path is, and it's not freezing up. And then we have lines exposed here. I'm gonna get some for those lines going all the way to the back there. But way over there is the master bedroom, and those lines go up in the air and down. So I put insulation on them too, and it seems like it's working for them. All I gotta do is fix the Jack and Jill bathroom, and then also get that fixed over there with some more R13 here. And it's 20 bucks a bag at Lowe's, so it's not a bad deal. So give it a try. I have, and it seems to be working so far. It's like 22 degrees here, so, and the wind chill's a lot worse. And it's just getting cold again. We're just in this cold mess. So good luck. God bless. Works for me.